All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Nissan Rogue. It is the SV model. This black with black interior, premium sound system, 31,000 miles, steering wheel controls, roof racks, alloy wheels, all-wheel drive, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire tread is 5/32. Let me double check that. That's correct. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks pretty good. Does seem to have a little ding right there, less than an inch. PDR work. Here's your rear driver's rim, very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire tread is, check it out, is 5/32. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors, your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. It is a push start system. It does come with one key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your AC controls right down below. Get your backup camera, pow. Silver controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on. Any issues? Your miles of 31,846. Very nice. Get your all-wheel drive stuff, your sport, all that good stuff right there. Keeping it moving. Here is your rear passenger seat, and what that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest with cup holders. Rear bumper looks good. Lift gate looks good. Here's your rear trunk space, and what that looks like, pretty big and spacious. These little trays fold forward, they're pretty cool. Got a spare tire here with some tools, and then of course there's your owner's manuals I tucked away. Coming around, have a chip on this deck lid. This quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim, very nice. Got some curbing here, about 2 inches. Boom. Tire tread, 4/32. Let me double check that. Just over 4/32. This door looks pretty good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear AC vents. This door looks pretty good. Thought those were chips, but they're not. Looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire tread over 5/32. Lights are working. Car looks great, folks. Once again, a 2017 Nissan Rogue Sv all-wheel drive model with 31,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.